Hi, Jake. Jakey. Jakey Doodle. What do you see out there? Oops. What's out there, son? Not much. Can you say hi to Grandma? He almost said it. What's that? Jake, can you find something that's blue? Can you find something that's blue? Or are you too distracted? Oh, you're going to lay down in your little chair now? Oh. I like how you crawl in your chair. You're very good at that. You're very good at that. Bye-bye.